Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids. In this video, we'll be seeing how to make a paper bed. So without any further delay, let's get started. So first, for this activity, we need a square piece of paper. So I'm going to be making a blue bed. So I'm taking blue. You guys can take any color you like. So the first step is that we're supposed to fold the paper in half on both sides of the paper like this. Next step is that we're supposed to fold all sides of the paper to the middle point. So we have to do this slowly. So after we complete this, I'm folding any two opposite sides of the paper to the middle line like this, and I'm unfolding it and I'm folding the other two opposite sides to the middle point. So after we complete this, I'm opening any two of these sides like this, and I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line. So after we complete this, I'm taking the bottom part and I'm folding it to the top like this, and I'm taking the top part and I'm folding it to the bottom. So we have to repeat the same steps on the opposite side of the paper as well. So when we do this, a small triangle will be formed at the bottom of the paper. So after we complete this, I'm just opening these two sides like this, and I'm keeping my fingers inside and I'm folding it to form a paper box. So now we'll have a paper box, so I'm repeating it on the opposite side as well. So now our paper box is ready. So next step is that we have to make another paper box like this. So I'm just going to be making this box in a very fast manner. You guys can reload this video from there, you can watch it from the beginning, or you can go to my channel and see a video about how to make a paper gift box. So I've already posted it in my channel. So I'm going to be making another box. So now another box is ready. So now we have two boxes. So the next step is that I'm taking a glue bottle and I'm applying some glue on one side of the paper box like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be taking the other box and I'm applying some glue on this as well. So you don't have to apply glue if you like. So after we complete this, I'm sticking these two parts together. So if you guys do not have glue, you can just take tape and stick these two parts over here. So after we complete this, I'm turning these boxes to the opposite side. So now I cut out two rectangular strips like this. So you guys can cut this out, and I'm going to be sticking this onto the bottom part of the paper to hide the marks. So I'm just cutting out for the correct length, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. So I'm applying some glue on this paper. So I'm just using my hand to spread this glue. So you guys can just use a toothpick, or you can also use an ice cream stick, or you can use any other paper to spread this. So now I'm cutting another paper and I'm going to be sticking it onto the opposite side of the paper. Like this. So after we spread it, I'm sticking it onto the opposite side. So after we complete this, I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and we'll have a structure like this. So now I'm just taking a rectangular strip like this and I'm going to be sticking it onto the top part like this. So I'm just going to be cutting out another paper for the center. So I'm just going to be sticking this part onto the center. So if you guys want to make it more beautiful, you can take a rectangular strip like this and you can stick it onto here. So I'm just applying some glue on this paper like this, and I'm going to be sticking this onto the center part to hide the marks. So we have to stick this slowly, and I'm just going to be taking a scissor. I'm going to be cutting out the remaining marks like this. So this is just a method for saving paper, so you guys can just stick it like this if you want, but some people might have less paper, so this trick is for them. So after we complete this, I'm just taking a rectangular paper like this and applying some glue on one side of the paper at the bottom part over here. So after we complete this, I'm taking the other part and I'm folding it like this to form a structure like this. So I'm applying some glue on the bottom part of the paper down here. So after we complete applying some glue, I'm just going to be sticking this part onto the bed that we made before. So I'm just sticking this onto this part over here. So now our paper bed is ready. So now I'm just going to be decorating it because it is very simple. So I'm just taking a black marker and I'm just going to be drawing small circles at the bottom part of the paper. And I'm just going to be drawing some circles on the top as well. So I'm just going to be leaving some space in between the circles to make it more informative. So I'm just going to be drawing small 3 lines below these circles, and I'm just going to be drawing one-like structures at the bottom part. So you can use your own creativity and design this. This is just a simple design. So it's your wish about how you design it, because now our bed is ready, so it doesn't matter about how you design it. So now after we complete this, I'm just taking a purple marker, so you guys can take any color you like, and I'm drawing 2 rectangles at the top to represent them as pillows. So now I'm just going to be drawing some designs with this color, and I'm just drawing a small circle at the top part of here. So now after we complete this, I'm just turning the bed to the opposite side and I'm folding this part in again so that it will be good enough and it will be good and strong as well. So after we complete this, I'm turning the bed to the opposite side and our paper bed is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper bed, and it is useful too. So you can use this to put your dolls and you can play with them as well. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Bye!